Lie on your back with both legs extended. Straighten your back and place your hips and lower back firmly on the floor. Bend your right knee towards your chest, keeping your left leg extended on the floor. Hold the position for the required amount of time and release. Repeat the exercise for the other leg. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally. Stand in front of a wall with a split stance and hold on to the wall for support. Bend the front-facing knee while keeping the back leg straight till you feel the stretch. Hold the position for a required amount of time and release. Repeat on the other side. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally. Lie down on your side with both legs parallel to the floor. Bend the leg placed on top backwards and hold it in your hand. Put it in line with your hip till you feel the stretch. Hold the position for the required amount of time and release. Repeat the exercise for the other leg.